Every Android phone comes with a built-in recovery mode that allows you to access the device without the phone's OS. If you own an Android device, it is necessary for you to know how to access the recovery mode. In order to access the Android recovery mode, first, you need to turn off your device. Once the device is turned off, you need to press and hold a specific combination of keys, depending on your device manufacturer. You will see something like this, depending on the device model. You can reboot your phone, clear caches and data, reinstall the OS, factory reset the device, and do a lot more stuff. However, the steps can be quite complicated at times, especially for the non-professionals. Tenorshare ReiBoot helps you to ease this process by offering you solutions to the problems like your device stuck on logo screen, app crashing, black screen, and many more. Moreover, you can use the free Android recovery mode tool to enter and exit the recovery mode, fast boot mode, and download mode whenever you want. Just download the free app from Tenorshare website and install it on your PC. Connect your Android device to computer with a USB cable. Now click on one click to enter recovery mode and wait for a moment for the program to put your device into recovery mode. After a few seconds, your device will successfully enter the recovery mode. Click on Exit Recovery Mode to exit from the recovery mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. To download the free software, check out the link in the description below. For more Android and iOS tips, subscribe to the Altphone channel or go to the altphone.com website.